For centuries, left-handedness has sparked curiosity and debate, venturing into the realms of neuroscience and psychology. It's more than just a preference for using the left hand, it's a complex trait potentially linked to unique cognitive functions. Emerging research suggests that left-handed individuals might possess distinct cognitive strengths, particularly in areas like enhanced creativity and innovative problem solving. Understanding the science behind this involves exploring brain lateralization, the concept that different brain functions are dominant on one side. In left-handers, the right hemisphere, often associated with creativity and spatial reasoning, may be more dominant. Genetic factors also play a role, influencing brain development and handedness. Studies examining divergent thinking, the ability to generate multiple solutions to a problem, often reveal higher scores among left-handed populations. However, experts caution against drawing simplistic conclusions. While these findings are intriguing, they don't imply that all left-handed individuals are inherently more intelligent or creative. The critical takeaway is to recognize and appreciate neurodiversity, the natural variation in brain function and behavioral traits within the human population. This perspective encourages us to move beyond stereotypes and embrace the potential of every individual, regardless of their dominant hand. Debunking myths and presenting facts. Many myths surrounding left-handedness persist, often fueled by outdated beliefs and superstitions. Common misconceptions include the idea that left-handed people are more prone to health problems or have shorter lifespans. Modern science has consistently debunked these claims. Large-scale studies have found no significant difference in overall health or longevity between left and right-handed individuals. In fact, some research suggests potential advantages associated with left-handedness. These include evidence of better multitasking abilities and increased resilience in certain cognitive tasks. Such findings come from comparative studies analyzing performance differences between left and right-handed populations on various cognitive tests. Crucially, environmental factors also contribute to these outcomes. For instance, the need to adapt to a predominantly right-handed world might foster increased cognitive flexibility in left-handers. Health educators play a vital role in dispelling misinformation and promoting evidence-based discussions. It's essential to rely on scientific data and rigorous research when addressing the topic of left-handedness. By challenging stereotypes and sharing accurate information, we can foster a more informed and accepting understanding of this natural human variation. Ultimately, promoting factual knowledge empowers individuals to embrace their unique traits without fear or prejudice. Practical implications and support strategies. Living in a world designed primarily for right-handed individuals presents practical challenges for left-handers. Everyday activities, from using scissors and writing at desks to operating machinery, can be awkward or even difficult. These challenges extend to educational systems, where left-handed students may struggle with writing techniques and the availability of appropriate tools. Addressing these issues requires a multi-faceted approach. Adaptive tools, such as left-handed scissors, pens, and computer mice, can significantly improve comfort and efficiency. Inclusive design principles should be incorporated into various environments, ensuring that everyday objects and spaces are usable by people of all handedness. Advocacy for left-handed friendly environments is also crucial, raising awareness among educators, employers, and policymakers. Experts emphasize the importance of fostering awareness and providing tailored support to enhance the well-being and potential of left-handed individuals. This includes providing appropriate instruction in writing techniques for left-handed children, ensuring access to adaptive tools in schools and workplaces, and promoting a general understanding of the challenges faced by left-handers. Ultimately, creating a more inclusive society that recognizes and accommodates the needs of left-handed individuals benefits everyone, allowing all individuals to thrive and reach their full potential. For generations, whispers and tales have swirled around left-handedness, often painting inaccurate pictures of health and well-being. One persistent myth claims left-handed individuals are more susceptible to illnesses or lead shorter lives. However, modern scientific research has thoroughly debunked these notions. Large-scale studies comparing left and right-handed populations have found no significant difference in overall health or lifespan. In fact, some research even suggests potential advantages for left-handers in specific areas. Instead of increased vulnerability, studies point towards potential cognitive benefits. Some research indicates left-handed individuals may exhibit enhanced multitasking abilities. This could be attributed to differences in brain lateralization, where both hemispheres might be more actively involved in certain tasks. Furthermore, there is evidence suggesting greater resilience in particular cognitive challenges. It is crucial to remember that these are statistical trends, not definitive traits applicable to every individual. The interplay between handedness, genetics, and environmental influences shapes a person's cognitive profile. The propagation of inaccurate information creates unnecessary anxiety and stigma. This is why health educators emphasize the importance of evidence-based discussions when addressing handedness. It's essential to rely on verifiable data and scientific findings to dispel misconceptions. Comparative studies analyzing health outcomes, cognitive functions, and even socioeconomic factors in left and right-handed populations provide a clearer understanding. By promoting informed conversations, we can dismantle harmful stereotypes and foster a more inclusive and accurate perception of left-handedness. Navigating a world primarily designed for right-handed individuals presents daily hurdles for those who are left-handed. From the simple act of using scissors or writing in a spiral notebook to operating machinery and participating in sports, left-handers frequently encounter tools and environments that are not ergonomically suited to their dominant hand. These challenges are not merely inconveniences, they can impact efficiency, comfort, and even safety. In educational settings, left-handed students may struggle with desks oriented for right-handed writing, leading to awkward posture and potential discomfort. Similarly, in workplaces, equipment designed without consideration for left-handed users can create inefficiencies and increase the risk of errors. The key to mitigating these difficulties lies in creating a more inclusive and adaptable environment. This involves promoting the development and availability of adaptive tools specifically designed for left-handed individuals. These tools, such as left-handed scissors, ergonomic pens, and specially designed computer mice, can significantly improve comfort and performance. Furthermore, inclusive design principles should be integrated into the creation of new products and spaces. This means considering the needs of both right and left-handed users from the outset, rather than treating left-handedness as an afterthought. Beyond tools and design, fostering awareness is crucial. Educating people about the challenges faced by left-handed individuals can promote empathy and understanding. Advocating for left-handed friendly environments in schools, workplaces, and public spaces is also essential. This can involve simple changes, such as providing left-handed desks in classrooms or offering training on how to adapt to right-handed equipment. Ultimately, creating a more inclusive society requires recognizing and addressing the unique needs of left-handed individuals, empowering them to thrive and reach their full potential.